Welcome to 3D Decode, where tech, tutorials, and trends come alive in 3D. Subscribe now for the latest video notification. Let's start the video.
Have you ever opened SolidWorks and seen this error pop up? Could not obtain a license for SolidWorks Standard. Cannot connect to licensed server, NIFIF 10.10.161. If yes, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to resolve this issue. Quick refresh. First, try the simplest fix. Right-click on your desktop and click refresh once or twice. Sometimes this clears the license connection. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and hit OK. In the Services window, scroll down and look for these two items, SolidWorks Electrical, SolidWorks FlexNet Server. These control how SolidWorks connects to its license. Now, double-click each one. In the Properties window, under Startup Type, select Automatic, then click OK. Do this for both SolidWorks Electrical and SolidWorks FlexNet Server. Restart the services. Once done, right-click both services again and choose Restart. This forces them to refresh the licensed server connection. Final step. Now, close the services window and restart SolidWorks. The error should be gone, and you'll see SolidWorks start up properly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the could not obtain a license error in SolidWorks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick fixes and SolidWorks tips.